the heart of Jardins, one of São Paulo's most densely built neighborhoods, stands Ibsen House, a bold, introspective residence defined by its mass and materiality. From the street, it appears closed and austere, yet beyond its brick facade lies a serene spatial journey, one that unfolds between patios, balconies, and shifting pockets of natural light. Material choices play a key role in the home's character. Dark, rugged brick lends a feeling of solidity and contemplation. In contrast, greenery softens the mood, creeping across surfaces and filling courtyards with life. A spring flowing against an open wall adds a tranquil layer, making the house feel like a private sanctuary in the middle of the city. With a narrow urban plot, the house embraces a vertical solution to accommodate its 800 square meters of space. On the ground floor, the living room, dining area, and kitchen open directly to a lush rear garden, fostering a strong connection to nature. More private functions, like the wine cellar and gym, are tucked away in the lower level, preserving a sense of calm and retreat. Inspired by Mexican modernism, the architecture is composed of bold volumes and geometric voids. But instead of Barragan's vibrant palette, Ibsen House embraces subdued, earthy tones, better suited to the lifestyle of its residents. A young couple with 2 children seeking peace amid the urban chaos. Up above, the rooftop leisure area offers sweeping views of the São Paulo skyline. It's here that the landscape work by Flavia Tiraboschi truly comes to life. A rooftop terrace transformed into a green oasis, where vegetation climbs steel cables and softens the architecture's strong lines. The second floor is home to 4-bedroom suites and a cozy family room. These spaces face internal patios and small balconies, allowing light and air to filter gently through the home. The design blurs boundaries between inside and out, creating a quiet dialogue with the tropical climate and surrounding greenery. Every detail is carefully considered. Lighting was crafted in collaboration with CIA de Illuminaco, custom millwork executed by Marcenaria Taniguchi, and interior design led by Patrícia Sturm. Even the steel cables guiding the plants upward act as architectural gestures, connecting nature with form in a quiet, intentional way. More than just a home, Ibsen House is a study in contrasts. Heavy yet open, refined yet raw, urban yet deeply connected to nature. It's a powerful example of how thoughtful architecture can provide both protection from the outside world and a gentle invitation back into it.